Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm just going to show you kind of what I've got to take with me today. And we're going to hop in the car. I'll kind of explain more what we're going to do. Basically, the point is to get everything to fit in that little bag. Essentials, pliers, camera stuff, just ancillary tackle, just a bunch of finesse stuff. We're going to go make a quick stop at Academy. Let me pack it up and we'll get out of here. Objective while I'm here is to get a few small baits like that. I just want to go look and see if I can find a little small frog. Oh, they moved him. Oh, I found him. Oh, there's a very small one, but it's not what I like. Oh, here's another small one. So it's gonna have to be yeah. Okay, so I got almost everything I wanted to get, everything I really need to get for what I'm about to do. A small frog, a couple small crankbaits, and I think that'll do me for what I need. So let's hop in here and let's get over it. Okay, so it doesn't look as froggy as it did before, but I think we'll just run in here and take a peek at it real quick. I don't know, that looks pretty froggy. So what I'm actually going to do is leave the shallow diving crankbaits up here. Take a couple jigs, a couple bitsy flipping jigs by Strike King. Kind of a backup, and I got the Pro Junior. I didn't have the color I wanted, but went with something dark because, well, now it's overcast, so plan ruined, but I'll be all right. I'm gonna go ahead and shorten the legs up a little bit because we are in a creek, and I don't suspect the bass are gonna be, you know, 2 and 2.5 pound bass, so I don't want to start seeing short bites. Everything I get bit on, I want to make count today. So that is kind of the reason for trying to kind of shorten these up. And of course I didn't bring scissors, so I'll be gnawing at it with these pliers. Not bad. One's a little longer than the other, but no big deal. That actually helps it walk a little bit. That's one. And then I'm just going to use my other rod is going to be the finesse rod. And I've got a hair jig just tied on from the other day. This is a Stillhouse Tackle hair jig. Actually came in the mystery tackle box and it's still tied on from October, but this worked pretty good. So I'm just gonna leave that on. It's tied straight to 12 pound braid, or 12 or 15, I don't remember. And we're gonna get the chesty switched over to the chesty and just get on down there. Look at there, just got blown up on. Step back from it a little bit. Stick it right in the hole where you hit it first. Gotta be real careful when you use close quarters. I mean, that fish just had one come up and blow up on it, but he was only a couple feet from me, so obviously my jerk is much quicker to get down the line here than if you got a long cast. It's 2 little pops though, 2 little blow ups. Nobody really got it sucked down. And no action here. Let's move on down to the next spot. Look at this. Spider caught a mosquito on my rod. Excellent work, bud. Oh, brought him in with the salad. That's a nice one. Man, he liked it. Basically had it killed out there. He came up and chomped it. That's a nice fish. Got me on the board. Sweet, let's get him back in the water. Yeah. Awesome.
I really am grateful for this. It's a tremendous honor and a business. It's really, though, it's mostly an honor. Business.
Right. I got in a little bit deeper water. Saw that guy come out from over here. Another nice one. 1.5 pounds, 1.25 pounds maybe. Looks like this one's got a little bit bigger head on him. That's a beauty. God, that's a good looking fish. Just a little creek fish. Oklahoma Creek. Well, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave me a like or a comment, and we'll see you next time.